Good afternoon, this is Gary at A3 Customs. Today we are talking about this seat that Spider did an amazing job on. Part one of the seat, you actually seen him do some stitching on it, how he made it, this and that. But this here is something different, this inlay right here. This is actually a CNC stitch. So we're able today to be able to do any kind of CNC design that you want. So the motorcycle crowd that wants the CNC done, we can do it. We have several different to choose from. I mean, there is a ton of patterns in here. A lot of guys do some of these, for their bikes. You can do them for pontoon boats. You can do them for your automobile, whatever the case may be. And how this starts is it is a piece of leather that you actually use for the side. And the same thing you would use for your regular seats, how you recover them. And then they CNC stitch all this inside this inlay in here. Thread count can be yellow, it can be greens, it can be blues, anything you want it to. We have a whole chart of colors for string. We have also a whole whole design for the CNC panels. Any of that can be done. We do all that right here. So if you need to get this done for your motorcycle, if you need to get this done for your boats, if you need to get this done for your car, you want anything at all, just come see us at A3 Custom. But Spider, he's doing an amazing job trying to get this out. We did this one right here for a customer. We actually did a pair of seats, and I think there was a little video shot on the very first one that was a buddy seat. They look really good on how it was done. But this one here is finished now, and this thing is amazing. So come out to A3 Customs and get your CNC stitch panels, and we'll get this thing wrapped up for you in anything you want. Any car, any boat, any motorcycle. We can make it happen, A3 Customs.